Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss Unique. I'm Miss Unique, and today, we're diving deep into the world of time management. If you often find yourself overwhelmed with tasks and struggling to make the most of your day, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explore 5 proven time management techniques that will boost your productivity and help you achieve your goals. The first technique is all about prioritization. It's essential to start your day by identifying your most important tasks. Make a to-do list and categorize your tasks based on their urgency and importance. By focusing on high-priority items, you'll ensure that you tackle the most critical work first. You can use tools like the Eisenhower matrix to help you determine what's urgent and important. Tasks that fall into the urgent and important quadrant should be your top priority. Time blocking is our second technique. This method involves scheduling specific blocks of time for different tasks. Set aside dedicated periods for activities like email, meetings, and focused work. Stick to your schedule, and you'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish. I recommend using digital calendars or time management apps to help you with time blocking. This approach ensures that you allocate sufficient time to each task and avoid overloading your schedule. Our third technique is all about minimizing distractions. Identify common distractions in your workspace and take steps to eliminate them. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and create a clutter-free environment. This will help you stay laser-focused on your tasks. Additionally, consider using website blockers and apps that temporarily restrict access to distracting websites and social media during work hours. This can be a game changer for your productivity. Technique number 4 is the Pomodoro Technique. This method involves working in short, focused bursts, typically 25 minutes, followed by a short break. Repeat this cycle a few times, and then take a more extended break. It's an effective way to maintain your productivity throughout the day. You can use a timer or specialized Pomodoro apps to help you track your work intervals and breaks. This technique is excellent for maintaining concentration and preventing burnout. Our fifth and final technique is a challenging but crucial one: learning to say no. Many of us tend to overcommit and take on too much. It's essential to set boundaries and decline tasks or projects that don't align with your goals or priorities. By saying no strategically, you'll free up valuable time for what truly matters. Remember that saying no isn't about being unhelpful, but about preserving your time and energy for the things that matter most to you. It's a skill that successful people have mastered. And there you have it, folks. 5 proven time management techniques that can transform your daily routine and boost your success. Remember, it takes practice and consistency to master these techniques, so be patient with yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on personal development and motivation. Also, feel free to share your own time management tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep rising and shining. Until next time.
Hear me out.